hiking up this big mountain. And we're South Carolina, right?
Yeah, I mean this paved mountain, but it won't be paved for long.
Yeah, I didn't know what Carolina
We're in the Blue Ridge Mountains in North Carolina.
So this is gonna be really good for our legs, our quads, our hamstrings, and our booties. Our hearts do cardio.
Yes.
Oh, I see the trail's already getting pretty steep, and yeah. We made it! Woo! What do you mean? We are over halfway, hiking our way down the mountain. This is exciting. What an exciting time to be alive. Definitely breaking a sweat. My cardio is raised. Not used to breathing in this air, and oh look, there's the view. Look at that.
So good.
Stay and say hi
Ew.
to my YouTube followers.
Hi, YouTube.
And then you like myself would draw. Yes, I could live here.
We came along a cabin that.
I would build my fire right there,
But
I would have to put stones there to prevent forest fire.
that sounds good actually.
Oh my! I meditate in the forest. Hear the birds.
So we made it! Woo! 3.5 hour hike.
Oh, call.
Done. My ears hurt, my legs hurt, but it was worth it. Oh.